Hello, how are you? I am back again, and today we're going to do a very special unboxing. It is Elizabeth Scarlett and Elemis. It's so good, let's get into it. So this is a limited edition collection. You can only get it from John Lewis, and honestly, it is so good. I'm so excited about it. So if you know me, you'll probably know that I love Elemis and I love Elizabeth Scarlett pouches. They're just so beautiful. They bring me so much joy. So imagine my delight when I discovered that they had teamed up for a very special limited edition collection, which of course includes Elemis and of course includes an Elizabeth Scarlett pouch. It's so good, let me show it to you. Actually, before I show it to you, let me tell you the price. It is worth around £165. However, because it's Elemis and they love to give a good deal, it is £120 for all of this. I think it is worth every single penny. Let me show you. Now, I know a lot of people would tell you this would make an incredible gift. And honestly, it would make an incredible gift. But I would not be willing to give this away unless I already had one for myself. Because I'm kind of selfish like this. It's so beautiful. I think I would genuinely struggle to part with it. So first of all, let's talk about the pouch. It's made of cotton velvet, which is my favourite kind of velvet. And it's all embroidered with this celestial moon and star design from Elizabeth Scarlett. They actually have a bag really similar to this in their main collection, but it's a navy blue, and this is a really pretty, soft, pale, powdery blue. It's absolutely gorgeous, and look at the detail. Look at the way it shines. It's so pretty. The back of it is plain, and it features the Elemis Elizabeth Scarlett logo, just so you know exactly where it came from. And of course, it's got the Elizabeth Scarlett branding on the zip pull. But seriously, the design of this is so pretty and beautiful. I just can't get over it. It's gorgeous. Anyway, let me show you what you get inside. So first up, we get a nice big tub of the Elemis Pro Collagen Cleansing Balm. We all know and love this product, and it is in the classic scent, which I personally think is the best. I know they've released a lot of them over the years, and I'm currently using the Fig one, which is really pretty, but I honestly just don't think you can beat the classic and the original. This is a 50-gram pot, which is nice and generous, so it will last you absolutely ages, and I have to smell it quickly. Oh, it smells so good. Then next up, we get a full-size bottle of their Pro Collagen Toning Mist. This is 150 ml, so this will last you probably a good 6 to 12 months. And then we have a little tube of their Pro Collagen Glow Boost Exfoliator. This is only 15 mils, which I personally think is the perfect size because I won't be using this very often. So this will last me a really good amount of time because I just don't need a huge amount. So I love the fact they've given us a smaller one of these and a bigger one of the cleansing balm. And then we have a tiny little 5 ml bottle of the Pro Collagen Future Restore Serum, which I've never tried before. Is that just me? So I'm really looking forward to giving that a go and seeing how it works on my skin. And then finally, we have one more product, and that is the Elemis Superfood Midnight Facial. This is an overnight cream, which just makes you glow when you wake up. It just gives you everything your skin needs and really hydrates, restores, just illuminates. It's so beautiful. It's such a good overnight cream, especially good if you have dry and sensitive skin like me. I absolutely love it. And that, my friends, is the entire box. So this is a 5-piece set. You get 3 really generous sized products, and then you get 2 smaller sized products. And then of course you get the beautiful, let me put these down, the beautiful pouch, which honestly is such a showstopper. It's so pretty. It's limited edition. This is the only place you can get it. I just couldn't resist sharing it with you. So yeah, that is my video. I hope you like it as much as I do. Okay, thank you. Bye. Oh, and I'll put the shopping link below in case you're after it. Anyway, let me know if you've got any questions. Bye.